Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of sophisticated fashion with the best-in-class men's gabardine matte necktie from Bow Tie House. This necktie isn't just your ordinary accessory. It's crafted from 100% gabardine fabric, renowned for its durability and luxurious feel. Whether you're dressing up for a formal event or adding a touch of elegance to your daily wear, this tie promises to elevate your style effortlessly. Let's talk about what makes this tie stand out. Firstly, it's incredibly easy to care for. Simply hand wash it or wipe off minor stains with ease, thanks to its resilient gabardine material. No need for frequent dry cleaning, this tie is built to last. Available in 3 sizes, slim, standard, and wide. You can choose the perfect width that complements your personal style. Each tie comes in a standard length of 58 inches, ensuring a comfortable fit for all. Presentation matters, and that's why Bow Tie House delivers this tie in eco-friendly gift packaging. It's not just a purchase, it's a thoughtful gift for someone special in your life. Crafted with superior quality in mind, this tie resists wrinkles, shrinking, and abrasions. It feels substantial in your hand, exuding a sense of luxury that's unmatched. Whether you're heading to a wedding, a business meeting, or simply want to upgrade your everyday look, this tie fits the bill. Its classic design and durable fabric make it a wardrobe staple that you'll reach for time and again. That wraps up our review of the men's gabardine matte necktie from Bow Tie House. If you're ready to add a touch of sophistication to your wardrobe, click the link in the description to get yours today. Don't forget to subscribe for more unbiased product reviews and style tips here on Product Critique.